Wait, bro, you gotta hit that. You gotta hit the escalator, my guy. All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to dismantle a Tesla Model Y. So let's get into it. Come on, let's go. Ooh. So I have to take this arch off, which is just one clip holding it in. So yeah, I'll just pull them all out and I'll show you guys how to do that. Oh, there's always presents when you take wheel wells off. Oh, shut up. There we go. There's one wheel well. Right now I'm gonna take all the door panels off so I can take the mirrors off. Passenger front door panel, there's gonna be 3 screws that you need to unbolt before you can pop it off. First one's gonna be right up underneath here. There's also a little hole down here, right underneath this part. We have to pop this little reflector off and there will be a screw behind there. So now that we have the door panel pushed over to the side, it gives us access to these 3 bolts. So there's one 10mm bolt right here, one I cannot speak today. One 10mm bolt right here, and then behind this cover, you just kind of gotta pop it off like that. There's the last 10mm bolt right there. There's gonna be this line right here. You just have to pop this clip out and just disconnect this right here, and you'll be good to go. Then you can take the mirror off. Boom, the mirror's out. Anywho, we got Abe back in the building. While I'm taking apart this car, he's gonna get a couple dents out for us. We have one on the, both the front doors actually. I think there's like 3 on that one and 1 on this one. But yeah, he's gonna help us out. We'll put his Instagram right here, somewhere on the screen. So if you guys ever need a dent taken out, this guy will hook you up.
What's this guy's name?
His name's Abe.
What's his company's name?
Oh, come on, bro.
It'll be right there in the description. Isn't it like OC Dents, right? I forget things. I have a lot of things on my mind, all right?
Cali PDR, bro. Cali PDR.
All right, guys, right here in the description, Cali PDR, hit him up if you guys ever need any dents removed. He's the best in the biz. Got it. I'm gonna show you guys how to take this trim piece off. This just allows you to get maximum amount of coverage all the way down into that part. Because sometimes you could push it up to this trim piece and cut it, but I've noticed, I've done that on a couple different cars and it tends to like shift and move, and so far this has been the best way to do it. So there's a secondary rubber piece right up underneath here once you've removed these. These just come out, you just kind of get your fingers underneath them and they pull right out. That will reveal the screws. I think there's about 8 or so screws that hold this whole trim piece in. Underneath here you'll see, I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws. I was 1 off. But they're little T15s. So we're gonna unscrew those, and then once you unscrew that, it's a little tricky kind of shimmy this piece out, but I'll show you guys right after I get these out. The next thing we're gonna do is take these cameras out. They look simple, but they are extremely difficult. Or I shouldn't say extremely difficult, they are extremely easy to break. Not so much complicated, it takes a certain technique to get them out, and there's only kind of one way to do it. Tape is just to protect the paint. I got it. These top clips, they tend to be really brittle, and if you break these or these 2 bottom clips, the thing will not click back in. So just be really wary of that. And then also this tends to break too if you don't unplug it properly. So yeah, just be careful with that too. Hey, 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 what's this intruder doing in the shop? What's this intruder? Who's this guy? Wait, bro, you gotta hit the escalator, my guy.
Are you like this? I can't do it. Like.
We have to take all this goodness out. So I've already popped this cover off. Literally just put your hand underneath, pop it up. Next I gotta take this tub out. It's just a bunch of 10 mil bolts. There's a little light. There you go. Started dismantling the front bumper. Underneath, there's 4 bolts. So 4 10 mil bolts. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts up here. We got 1 bolt on each side that holds it in. Everything should just slip right out. 2 connections in this car that we have to disconnect really quick. So when we take the bumper off, we don't have to worry about messing with it. Right here's the horn. So we just pull this red clip out, work it out. Thing that controls everything in here. Pull it down on this part. We're gonna remove this headlight right now. There's only 2 screws holding this whole thing in. One right here, and one right here. And then the headlight will just slide out. And then obviously the 1 connector point that I'll show you guys right now. Pull it back. There you go, headlight. Now we're onto the back bumper. There's some bolts and little plastic clips that we have to remove underneath. We just have the side bolt, we have to disconnect the main plug to the sensors, and everything is just clipped in. We just pull it right out. I'm gonna put all the bolts I just took out back in, because it turns out you need to take this rear light out, and it's kind of a pain in the butt because you have to take the entire interior apart. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Really hope that this could help some of you if you guys are if you're in the wrap business or you're just wanting to dismantle the car for whatever reason. Pretty crazy how crazy this thing comes apart. Yeah, if you guys like this content, make sure you give us your feedback. Always make sure to check our website out. Got a lot of cool merch for sale. Always like, subscribe. Stay tuned to see what we got coming up next. Peace.